Hello everyone, nice to meet you. My name is Ido. I am a project manager at Golden View Renovation. I'm very excited to share with you about the 2-bathroom remodel that we complete. I would like to hear from the client what he has to say about his experience from A to Z, from the design process until the result.
Found some water damage actually, and just since the walls were already open, I thought it would be a great time to refresh the bathroom. So I got a few out here with different quotes, different opinions. What was nice with Golden View was, really spoke with us about just his experience working with these sort of things. I reached out to them online, and then we had a phone call just talking about the general overview. The design process was really smooth. The design team came with some suggestions. They heard a lot of what we wanted to do, even though we weren't quite sure yet. But they heard like what works for us. We gave them like a Pinterest board and all of that, and we were able to go into the design process with just a lot of good ideas. They were very thorough in talking about the permitting process, all the kind of nitty-gritty stuff of here's what's going to happen. It was pretty fun just because we didn't want something totally white, so it was good to just talk through some ideas, what would make sense, what colors would go together, and that was helpful to have them be a part of that process.
Client had a water damage, leaking, and we have to remove the existing stucco, do inspection, install new waterproofing, and close the wall. Into the bathroom, you have a 2-bathroom remodel that we remodel, beautiful bathrooms. We start with demolition the floor, open the wall, upgrade the electrical, plumbing, mechanical, test inspection, and look at this, beautiful.
Yeah, the demo process was pretty quick. They moved efficiently, especially once we decided to do the 2 bathrooms at once. Yeah, I'd recommend Golden View for sure. They were with us through every step of the process. They were flexible. Any sort of complications that came up with just the age of the house and stuff that was outside of our scope, we talked through if we wanted to add that or if we need to save it for a later time. The communication was good with our project manager. Everyone was on the same page, and he explained not just what we're going to do, but why it makes sense to do it a certain way, and that was really helpful. Yeah, I would recommend them.
Thank you for joining us to another testimonial for the beautiful 2-bathroom remodel. If you guys would like to do home remodeling, please give us a call. I would like to work with you.